Let's talk about masturbation. It's a natural and normal part of human sexuality. Yet it's often surrounded by myths and misconceptions. It's a topic often shrouded in secrecy, whispered about behind closed doors, and rarely discussed openly. But it's time to bring it into the light. Why? Because masturbation, combined with specific exercises, can unlock a world of pleasure, enhance your sex life, and even contribute to a longer, healthier life. Imagine starting your day with a sense of fulfillment and joy, knowing that you are taking care of your body and mind. This isn't about pushing any agendas or making you feel like you should be doing something. It's about understanding your body and its needs and making informed choices that enhance your well-being. It's about giving you the information and tools to make choices that feel right for your body and your life. Whether you're reading up on the latest research, using a tablet to follow guided exercises, or finding peace in a yoga pose, the goal is to empower you. We'll explore the physical and emotional benefits of masturbation and introduce you to Kegel exercises. These practices can be seamlessly integrated into your daily routine, enhancing not just your sexual health, but your overall quality of life. These exercises, when integrated with masturbation, can create a powerful synergy, leading to more intense orgasms, better bladder control, and even a boost in your overall well-being. Imagine the confidence that comes from knowing you have control over your body and its functions. Ready to embark on this journey of self-discovery? Let's dive in. Together, we'll uncover the secrets to unlocking pleasure and vitality, and you'll learn how to harness the power of your own body to achieve a happier, healthier life. We all know masturbation feels good. It's a natural and healthy way to explore your body and experience pleasure. But did you know it also offers a range of health benefits? Yes, beyond the immediate pleasure, there are numerous positive effects on your overall well-being. It's true. Masturbation is a fantastic stress reliever. When life gets overwhelming, taking a moment for yourself can make a big difference. When you climax, your body releases endorphins, those feel-good chemicals that wash away tension and leave you feeling relaxed and happy. It's like a natural high that can improve your mood instantly. Regular masturbation can also help regulate your hormones. This balance is crucial for maintaining a healthy body and mind. This is especially beneficial for women experiencing PMS or menopausal symptoms. It can alleviate cramps, reduce mood swings, and even help with sleep. And here's a bonus. Masturbation may even boost your immune system. Engaging in regular self-pleasure can be a part of your overall health routine. Some studies suggest that regular orgasms can increase the production of certain antibodies that help fight off illness. So, not only does it feel good, but it can also keep you healthier in the long run. Embrace the benefits of masturbation as part of your self-care routine. It's a simple, natural way to enhance your physical and mental health. Now, let's talk about how masturbation can enhance your sex life. For both men and women, masturbation is a wonderful tool for exploring your body and understanding what feels good. When you know what you like, you can communicate that to your partner, leading to more satisfying and fulfilling sexual experiences for both of you. For men, regular masturbation can help improve ejaculatory control. And for women, Masturbation can increase blood flow to the pelvic region, which can enhance arousal and sensitivity. Now, let's introduce those Kegel exercises we mentioned earlier. Kegels are simple, yet incredibly effective exercises that target the muscles of your pelvic floor. These muscles play a crucial role in sexual function, bladder control, and even core stability. Strengthening your pelvic floor muscles can lead to more intense orgasms, better bladder control, and increased sexual sensation. And the best part? You can do Kegels anytime, anywhere, and nobody will even know. Ready to learn how to do Kegels? It's easier than you think. First, you need to identify the right muscles. Imagine you're trying to stop the flow of urine midstream. The muscles you engage are your pelvic floor muscles. Once you've found them, contract these muscles. Hold for a count of 3 to 5 seconds, and then release. Repeat this 10 to 15 times. You can incorporate Kegels into your masturbation routine by contracting and releasing your pelvic floor muscles during different stages of arousal. We've talked about the immediate benefits of masturbation and Kegel exercises. But did you know that these practices can also contribute to a longer, healthier life? Remember those endorphins we talked about? They don't just make you feel good. They also have powerful stress-reducing effects. Chronic stress can take a toll on your body, leading to inflammation, weakened immunity, and an increased risk of chronic diseases. By managing stress through pleasurable activities like masturbation, you're giving your body a fighting chance to stay healthy and vibrant for years to come. There you have it. We've explored the incredible ways masturbation combined with Kegel exercises can enhance your sex life, improve your overall well-being, and even contribute to a longer, healthier life. Remember, there's no right or wrong way to approach these practices. The most important thing is to listen to your body, honor your desires, and find what feels good for you. So go ahead, explore, experiment, and embrace the power of pleasure. Your body will thank you for it. Want more tips on boosting your well-being and living a more fulfilling life? Stay tuned for more insightful articles and resources coming your way. Embracing your potential is a journey, not a destination. It involves continuous learning, self-discovery, and growth. By integrating these practices into your daily routine, you can unlock new levels of happiness and fulfillment. Surround yourself with positivity and supportive people. Cultivate habits that nourish your mind, body, and soul. Remember, every small step you take brings you closer to your true potential. So keep moving forward, stay curious, and never stop exploring. The journey to embracing your potential is uniquely yours, and it's one worth embarking on.